Hey everyone, just wanted to make a real quick video about cutting in strikes. This guy right here, the multi-tool, is definitely the way to go. So much better than a Dremel. And basically, after you lay out your horizontal and your verticals where it needs to cut, what I like to do is just take a 3/8 drill bit and drill it right along the edge of that vertical line. And really this does pretty good on the horizontal, and then if you have this little hole right here, it helps you out on the vertical. And the nice thing about this, so much better than the Dremel, is when you need to cut inside of the frame, this has the reach to do it, and you don't have to do those awkward kind of maneuvers that you normally do with the Dremel. Hope this helps.